Good morning, all dear students. Today I will start a new chapter in your subject account. The name of this chapter is cash book. It is also be called as subsidiary books and record of subsidiary books, cash book. So this chapter can come in many type of names, but the main name of this chapter will be cash book. So first of all, starting anything else, let me tell you that what the cash book is. So cash book is a book in which all transactions relating to cash, it means all cash related transactions, all cash related transactions means cash receipt, cash payment are recorded. Only cash related transactions, either it is receipt or payment, it will be recorded in the cash book. It states that the cash book of bank balance at the beginning of the period, generally it is made on monthly basis. The cash book will be made on monthly basis. Okay, this is a very popular book and is maintained by all organizations, means all the organizations maintain it. All the organizations maintain it. Okay, big or small, either big organization or small organization, every organization maintains it. Okay, this is very popular book and it maintained by all organizations, big or small, profit or non-profit, means any type of, all type of organization prepare cash book, and in cash book we will write only cash related items, whether cash related transactions, whether it is receipt or payment. Okay, so there are many types of cash book. First of all, we will see the single column cash book. This is the format. In single column cash book, all cash related transactions of the business are recorded in the chronological order. This is the keyword, chronological order. It is complete record of cash received and cash payment. When all the receipt and payment are made in cash by a business organization, the cash book contains only the amount column on each of the side, debit and credit side. So this will be called as single column cash book. Here we can see the format. First of all, date, particular, LF. You will also create a column like VN. After LF, there will be a column VN, then amount, and date, particular, LF, VN, amount. LF can be replaced with JF because it should be general folio, not ledger folio. Okay. Now, how will we do the entries in it? How will we write the amounts in it? In debit side, we will write all the receipts. Cash receipts will be debit. Means when we will receive cash in any form, it will be written in debit side. And in credit side, we will write payments. All the cash related payment will be written in the credit side, means this side. Okay, so this is the basic format and basic method of doing the cash book or preparing the cash book. Now let's move to the question. Here you can see cash in hand. It will be shown in the debit side, means first cash in hand, opening cash, because it is on the first day of the month. So it will also be called as opening cash, and opening cash will always be written in debit side by the name to balance BT. All the items of debit side will be started with to, and all the items of credit side will be started with by. Okay, so next, cash received from Gurmeet. Cash received means receipt. Cash receipt will be debited, so we will write to Gurmeet. Debit side we will write to Gurmeet. Insurance paid means payment, so it will be written in the credit side by the name by insurance. By the name by insurance. Okay. Here you can see all the receipts are debit side and all the payments are credit side. Now we will do the total. This total will be 88,200 by calculating this, and this total will be something else. Now we have to subtract This 88,200 and the total of these figures, and after subtracting we will get 23,400. So it will be our buy balance CD, and it will come on the last day of the month. Buy balance CD, and then this balance will be transferred on the next day of the month, balance BD, 23,400. So this is the method of preparing single column cash book. In the upcoming videos we will discuss double column cash book, and after that we will discuss 3 column cash book, and then analytical cash book or petty cash book. Okay, so you have to practice this and do the practical problems of this chapter, and if you find any type of doubt in any query, you can ask. We will be there, our school will be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye students.